50 dangerous animal in the world. There are many dangerous animals in the world, each with its own unique abilities and characteristics that make them formidable predators or threats to humans and other creatures. Here's a list of 50 dangerous animals, considering factors like venom, strength, aggression, and lethality. Keep in mind that danger levels can vary depending on the circumstances and the animal's behavior, so it's essential to exercise caution and respect when encountering any wildlife. 1 saltwater crocodile, 2 Nile crocodile, 3 great white shark, 4 tiger shark, 5 African elephant, 6 Cape buffalo, 7 African lion, 8 African leopard, 9 African black mamba, snake, 10 inland taipan snake, 11 box jellyfish, 12 cone snail, 13 Cape cobra, snake, 14 king cobra, snake, 15 black widow spider, 16 Brazilian wandering spider, 17 brown recluse spider, 19 poison dart frog, 20 hippopotamus, 21 polar bear, 22 grizzly bear, 23 Komodo dragon, 24 Sydney funnel web spider, 25 blue-ringed octopus, 26 pufferfish, 27 stonefish, 28 saltwater crocodile, 29 Philippine cobra, snake, 30 fer-de-lance, snake, 31 Belcher's sea snake, 32 deathstalker scorpion, 33 hyena, 34 cassowary, 35 golden poison dart frog, 36 wild boar, 37 cone snail, 38 Gila monster, 39 box jellyfish, 40 Africanized honeybee, 41 redback spider, 42 Cape buffalo, 43 moose, 44 European adder, snake, 45 African elephant, 46 Cape cobra, snake, 47 black mamba, snake, 48 saltwater crocodile, 49 Bengal tiger, 50 rhinoceros, 50 leopard seal. Please note that this list is not exhaustive, and there are many other dangerous animals in the world. It's crucial to educate yourself about the wildlife in the area you're visiting or residing in, and take appropriate precautions to ensure your safety and the well-being of the animals. Respect their natural habitats and avoid engaging with wild animals whenever possible. Uma Facts, subscribe please.